Guys, it's nice to have you back in this channel, and today I'm gonna quickly make a video on the accurate measurements of the chemicals that I use for the production of dettol at home that I made for you guys in this channel. A lot of my fans has been asking me about this, so I'm doing this for you guys. So just sit back and then get the accurate measurements that I used to produce that dettol at home for you guys in this channel. So without wasting time, I'm just gonna list out the ingredients I use first, and then I'll give you the measurements just as it is. So the first ingredient I used there was pine oil. Pine oil was the first ingredient I used for the production, and I actually used 100 mils of pine oil. 100 mils of pine oil. That was the first ingredient. And then the second ingredient there was chlorosinol. That was the second ingredient I used for that production, and that one was also 100 mils. Chlorosinol was also 100 mils. And dettol, was the next ingredient I used for the production, and I actually used 50 grams of dettol, to make that dettol. And then the next ingredient there was phenol. I used phenol, and I also used 50 grams of phenol. And then the next thing I used there was water. I used half liter of water for that production. So guys, the next ingredient I used there was IPA. IPA is a short form of isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, or IPA. And I actually used 1 liter of that. And the last ingredient there was color. Color was the last ingredient I used for that production. And with color, you don't have to measure color. Color, what you have to do with it when you're doing your production is just to add it to taste. Add any quantity of color that you want to add. If you want your dettol to be dark brown, and then that means you have to add more of color. If you want it lighter color, you add less of color. So color is actually optional. You can still do your dettol without color. So that is it. So guys, with this measurement, I know it will be easier for you to be able to do larger quantity of your production with dettol. And all you have to do is, if you by the end of the day done with your production, and then you have to just take some liters and measure, with all this measurement I've given to you. That's what I'm trying to explain. So let's assume you are done with your production with all this measurement I've given to you, and at the end of the day you are able to get 3 liters of dettol. So that means when next you want to produce 6 liters of dettol, you have to use 2 times of this chemical measurement I've given to you for your production, and that will give you 6 liters of dettol. Just like that, you keep doing like that. If you want to do 9 liters of dettol, you have to use this measurement 3 times. I hope you understand the simple illustration here. So that's it, guys. I think that way is very simple for you to catch up. So with this measurement, it will help you to do as much as you want to produce your dettol. It's just very simple. That production I showed to you, that very one I made for you guys, was water-based dettol. And I'm sure I mentioned in that video that we have two kinds of production. The first one is the water-based, which I did for you guys, and then the second one is chemical-based dettol. So I'll make out time after the lockdown, and then I will do the practical of the chemical-based dettol for you guys. So just sit down, like watch this video, over and over again. You understand what I'm saying. So that is it. Yeah. So guys, please, this channel needs your support. Support this channel so that this channel will keep staying in YouTube to bring nice things like what we've just done now to you guys, because your support is my strength. Your support gives me strength to keep bringing more ideas to you guys. Because if I give you my ideas and you're not supporting me in any way, it's gonna weigh me down. It will not move me to do more production or share my ideas with you guys in this channel. So all I'm asking from you is your subscription to this channel, and whenever you're watching a video in this channel, please do share the video to your friends, to people in your contacts, and also give it a thumbs up if you like any of my videos that you'll be watching. And then drop your comments for me all the time. I like to see your comments, but don't be nasty with your comments. If I've done something that you feel is not right, especially when it's production like this, just use a polite way and drop your message for me, and then I'll work on that, because I'll also learn from you guys. I don't know it all. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for I don't know, encouraging me to bring these measurements to you guys. I'm actually very sorry that I didn't give you the measurements at first production. Sometimes we do our videos just in a rush because like me, I have other things I'm doing outside making videos for YouTube. So sometimes the little time that I will have, I'll just try to make use of it to drop a video for you guys. So if I do any production and you don't see the measurements like what we've just done now, just point it out to me and I will make a video like this and drop it for you guys for more clarification. Thanks guys, and remain ever blessed. I love you guys.